Hi boys and girls, today we are going over Unit 3, Week 3, Day 2 of our grammar practice. You will be completing grammar page 78 today, but before we do that, I want to talk to you about a few things. We're continuing our study of helping verbs and their main verbs. So today we're going to kind of focus on tense of your verbs. And by tense, I mean present tense, past tense, and future tense, okay? So just a reminder, the main verb shows what the subject does or is. It's the action, the mind verb, the doing verb, the being verb. A helping verb helps the main verb, and it usually comes right before the main verb, usually. So in present tense, these are the helping verbs that you're going to want to use. Am, is, and are. Those are all the present tense helping verbs. Past tense helping verbs, meaning your main verb has happened in the past, so you'll probably see an ed ending at the end of your main verb, are was and were. There are also some other past tense helping verbs that you use for actions that have already happened. Those are the H ones, have, has, and had. And the only future tense helping verb is will. So make sure you refer back to this list if you get stuck in your practice, okay? Let's do a couple together before I show you what your practice is today. So here it says, complete the sentences by filling in the blank with a helping verb of the verb tense indicated in parentheses, okay? So we got to put in a helping verb based on what they tell us to do. All right. Kelly, past tense, helped a great deal. So in this case, has would make the most sense. Whoops, I need to change my font color here. Kelly has helped a great deal. Okay, if I didn't remember any of those past tense helping verbs, just go back to the beginning of this video, boys and girls, and look right here on this list, okay? We, past tense, blank finding things to do. We, a past tense helping verb. We blank finding things to do. I am not sure. We were finding things to do? Yeah, I think that would make sense. Okay, we were finding things to do. Han, future tense. Oh, this one's simple. There's only one future tense helping verb. Will bring the sandwiches. She, present tense, giving them some books. Up is, I knew this one, I could remember. She is giving them some books, okay? You're going to be doing something similar on your practice today. So, on your practice on page 78, it says write a main verb or a helping verb to complete each sentence. So be careful about which ones you add. Let's do number 1 together. Charlie blank searched for a place to volunteer. So I'll notice right away that my main verb is right here. The action is searched. And it ends in an ed, so I'm going to need a past tense helping verb here. Charlie has searched for a place to volunteer. Charlie had searched for a place to volunteer. Either one of those would work here. Has or had. Okay. Next, let's do number 6 together. Many people blank donated clothes to this group. Many people, okay, so I've got my main verb right here, donated. It ends in ed again, so I know it's past tense. So I need one of those past tense helping verbs. Many people has donated clothes. No. Many people have donated clothes to this group. I think that was a helping verb. Let's go back and check. Oh, perfect. Yep, and it makes sense. Also, one that would work here, many people had donated clothes to this group. Your job is to finish the page. That's all for today.